This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 51 of building the Ford GT. I was incorrect in my assumption last time that I'd be putting the tyre on. We're not. We're putting the tyre on next time. This time we're going to be putting some of the background stuff onto the wheel. After flicking through the magazine for you as well, the Ford Mustang. Stick around, Eleanor, just to say, you know, come across and watch the Eleanor build videos if you like the Ford Mustangs. There we go. Cool, interesting stuff. Yeah, they're quite nice looking cars, I'll give you that. So we are building the left front brake. We've got the metal parts and plastic parts, obviously going together without too much trouble, I should hope. They go on there, then that attaches to the wheel, and then we're good to go with the tricky bit, which hopefully we get to do before we attach it to the car. I'm going to put it on before we attach it to the car because there's no point in fighting near the whole thing. So yeah, let's get straight to it and get the brake put on. Okay, we've got the brake section. I don't remember that bit from last time, but I'm sure it is. It's the brake cooling tube socket, which has to go in there. It only goes one way round because of the little notch. It goes in like that. That is then held in place with an FP01. We've got an FP01 screw there. Come on, out you come. Friend can stay there for later. We'll put that through there. Hold that in place. Nice. That's the job. Then we've got this to go onto there. Again, pins to go onto holes. Does it matter which way around it goes? There's a hole there, hole there, hole. They line up, so I'm going to go for it that way around. Just like that. And then that whole thing goes onto that post, like that. Then I believe we bring the wheel in. No, we don't. Not yet. We've got to put the brake caliper on plate first, which obviously goes onto those two holes there. And the whole thing fits together. Thusly, one pin, one hole. We shall use, does it say what screw? It does say FD01 screw, which is that one. We've still got FD02, which is a chrome one. Is that the one that holds the whole wheel on? I don't know, I'm not using that one. Why are we not using that one? We are using that one. Yes, there we go. FD02, yes. As I suspected, that will hold the wheel onto this. So this caliper on, which will in turn hold that disc in place as well because it can't go anywhere now. Like that. Then we need one of these. If I can pop it out. Come on, just the one. Or both. We'll get both of them out. Put that aside there for going back in safely. There we go. I got this out last time as well, obviously. So we've got one long pin there, which is going to have to go through there. And it lines up like that. And then the screw doesn't go in because that would be far too easy. There we go. So once we get this tightened up onto there, we go. The wheel still turns, and we can pop our little magnetised hubcap in place on there. So that is another episode complete, ready for the wheel to go on next time and then fit the whole thing together. So thank you for watching. A little bit more involved this time and a little bit more involved next time. So I'll see you soon for that. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.